Welcome back. Today we're going to be using the Benjamin All-Weather Trail NP in a 22.
Antlers, hammers, and hacksaws, the withered poetry of a man with no name. America, cement mixer full of walnut ice cream. Holocaust to many, Greek with bloody handshake. Rule empire and colleagues luxuriant. You torn like tape off football helmets chipped. 4 cups of crushed bricks, half cup of roses. Smoke, egg, green, and yellow candy cane. Zombies still cooped in a cottage with orange teeth. Pistol still pointed at the floor. Spinal crumbs. Blood hit snow and hard. Scoop it up in handfuls. Bathe in the river, the waterfall.
Down damage report. The can was filled with water. Both shots went through. Inside, outside. I have to look at the replay, but the bottom of the orange got pretty blasted. Using the premieres. Now let's get some light on there. Good rifle. Good ammo. Fun target practice.